In the realm of close-ups, every detail tells a profound story, where the small things in life reveal their hidden beauty and significance. Every movement we make, every gesture, is a brushstroke on the canvas of our existence. The tap of a keyboard, the flutter of an eyelid, these are the small but significant moments that make up the dance of creation around us. In the quiet moments, in the soft background noise of our world, we find echoes of our deepest memories and dreams. These sounds, often overlooked, are the harmonies to our life's melody. When we look at familiar things from our past, we travel through time. These pieces, these reminders, connect us to the rich tapestry of our shared human experience. Nature, in its silent grandeur, tells its own stories. The sway of a tree, the path of a cloud across the sky, each one speaks of the world's enduring beauty and strength. In our everyday life, the ordinary becomes extraordinary. What seems routine unfolds, revealing its hidden rhythm and poetry, inviting us to find joy in the simplest moments. Every line we draw, every word we write, is a whisper of creation. These small acts are the seeds from which the grand stories of humanity grow and thrive. In the close-up of life, we discover more than just details. We find stories, emotions, connections. It's a world where the smallest moments can carry the deepest meanings.